Okay, good morning. Let us begin with synonyms, and I shall mention antonyms too, and that will be asked for the examination. For the PSC, only two questions, one synonym, one antonym. But regarding SSC, there are many questions. Let us begin with first one, abbreviate. What do you mean by abbreviate? Abbreviate means shorten. Then concise, condense. Next, précis. Then summary, synopsis, nutshell. The opposite is lengthen. The opposite is lengthen. Next one, abandon. What do you mean by abandon? Give up. He gave up his wife. Abandon means desert. Forsake, F-R-S-A-K. Renounce. The opposite is, what do you mean by the opposite? Retain, regain, attain. Third one, beautiful. I shall give some relative words too for beautiful. Beautiful means lovely, comely, dazzling, gorgeous, magnificent, spectacular. Then opposite, ugly, dirty, nasty, merry, M-I-R-Y, merry, oozy, O-O-Z-Y, oozy, shabby, S-H-A-B-B-Y, slushy, S-L-U-S-H-Y, slushy. Next, opposite of endurance. Endurance means the place in which we come in. Opposite is exit. Opposite is exit. Opaque. Opaque means in which light never travels. Opposite is transparent. Opposite is transparent. Next one, abduct. Abduct. He was abducted by a group of criminals. Means kidnap. Opposite is retain or regain. We can say coward. What do you mean by coward? Dastard. Dastard means chicken-hearted. Chicken-hearted means pigeon-hearted. Pigeon-hearted. അതായത് ഭീരു. Opposite is valiant, brave, courageous. Valiant, brave, courageous. Next one, civilized. Is a civilized person, we normally say. Civilized means cultured. What do you mean by cultured? Polished. Polished means refined. Refined. Then opposite is unpolished, not refined, not polished, savage. Next one, miser. You know that meaning? Physical. Miser, niggard, കെച്ചി. എച്ചി എന്ന് മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയാലോ, അത് തന്നെ കെച്ചി. ദെൻ പെന്നി പിഞ്ചിങ്, തുപ്പല് നക്കി. പെന്നി പിഞ്ചിങ്, ഫ്രൂഗൽ. ഫ്രൂഗൽ, സ്റ്റിങ്കി. സ്റ്റിങ്കി. Opposite is lavish, extravagant, spendthrift. Synonym of tease, harass, ridicule, laugh at, make fun of, jeer. The next one, synonym of brook, rill, tarn, lake. Rill, tarn, lake is called brook. Next one, tempest. It is the last play of Shakespeare. The first play is Comedy of Errors. The first play of Shakespeare is Comedy of Errors, and the last play is The Tempest. Tempest means hurricane, concord, whirlwind, squall, S-Q-U-A-L-L, squall. Opposite, breeze, ilankatte, cipher, Z-E-P-H-O-R, cipher. Attract, captivate, enchant, enthrall. Opposite we can say, related words, repel, we can say. Then allow, opposite, reject. Taciturn means one who talks less, means reticent. Opposite, loquacious, garrulous, blabberer, babbler. Then chatterbox, gibber, etc. Sacrilege, profane, unholy. The opposite or antonym is serene, sacred, holy. I shall ask a question to you, and you must give the answer in the comment box. I think you will do it, and it is my earnest and honest request to you that you must give it in the comment box itself. My question is, one that is present everywhere, that is God. You must say the answer in the next class. Okay, goodbye. We can see in the next class. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എൻ്റെ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു എങ്കിൽ എൻ്റെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങൾ അറിയിക്കുക. റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലുള്ള ആ ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ അമർത്തുക. Wish you good luck. God bless you. Okay, thank you.